Hello, welcome on my YouTube channel. And if you're new here, try to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Click on subscribe button and we get started. Yep, this is the YouTube channel where we are going to be looking at how to learn Luganda, how to speak Luganda. So today's lesson, we are going to learn how to speak body parts. I'm going to be telling you those body parts and how to pronounce them, the real names in Luganda, one by one. So click there down and you subscribe on this YouTube channel. You're going to be getting started on everything. Just click down there. You're going to be doing every good stuff. Now, let's get started. It's good you get to it right as we continue to read and learn everything. Let's start with hair. We have hair. In Luganda, we call it enviri. Enviri, hair. This one. We call it enviri. Again, we have something we call eyes. Eyes we call it amaso. Eyes. Amaso. If it is one, we call it eye. Eliso. If it is one, we call it eliso. We have nose. Nose. That is enyindo. Enyindo. It is called enyindo. We come here down. We have mouth. Mouth is OMUMWA. OMUMWA. We got ears. We have ears. Ears is what we call amatu. Amatu. And then we have the whole thing here, the head. The whole thing, head. That is what we call omutwe. Omutwe. That is head. Omutwe. We have these they called eye elbows, eye what? These ones. We call them ebisigi. Ebisigi. These things. Ebisigi. And then we have this hair down near your eye. This hair near your eye, we call them in Luganda obukowe. Or obukowe. But the right way to call them is obukowe. For men, we have beards. I said we have beards. We call them ebirevu. Ebirevu. We have this one, neck. Neck, we call it ensingo. Ensingo, neck. We have this one, shoulders. Shoulders, EBIBEGABEGA. EBIBEGABEGA. We call them EBIBEGABEGA. And then we have fingers. 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 These are fingers. ENGALO. ENGALO. And in Uganda, or in Luganda in particular, each finger has the name. But we will come to that in next lesson. Then we have this thing. EKIBATU. This one. EKIBATU. EKIBATU. This one, the whole thing, is what we call arm, omukono, or hand, whatever. Omukono. In Luganda, we take it the whole omukono. Omukono. Then breasts. Breasts we call them amabere. Amabere. Breasts. Amabere. Then back. Back. We call it omugongo. There is a difference between back and behind. Behind is emabega. Back is omugongo. So we have stomach. That is OLUBUTO. Stomach. We have thighs. Thighs, we call them ebisambi. Be it a man or a woman. Ebisambi. Then the whole thing from here, from your waist. Waist is EKIBATU. From here, going down, we call it, when there are two, we call them AMAGULU. When it is one, we call it OKUGULU. Singular, OKUGULU. Plural, AMAGULU. Then you have toys. We call them obugere. Obugere. And everything. So now, I hope you can now mention body parts. I said you have hair, enviri. These ones we call them ebisige, amatu, ennyindo, amaaso, obukowekowe, emimwa, ebirevu, ensingo, ebibegabega, amabeere, ebisambi, waist, ekiwato, amagulu, and everything. Subscribe down there to my YouTube channel and we'll be doing everything. Thanks for subscribing, and if you're new here, try to subscribe and not miss any lesson when I upload. Thank you. I'm